Imagine a word that you just looked at and it just didn't look right. Well, that's what we're going to work on today with spelling. Does it look right? And if it doesn't, well, what can you do to have another go? We're going to look at the looking good strategy. So come with me in my learning space and let's do some spelling. Does it look right? Today we're going to be looking at the sound and three main ways that we can record the sound in words. Three main graphemes. So let's go and see if we can remember some of those graphemes. Off you go. Now don't forget, pause the video at any time when you're trying to write or even think about these choices. What are the choices? I've got the ER, that can say Is that what you've got? IR can also say UR can also say If you didn't have these, make sure that you write them on your piece of paper. Let's see if we can blend to read words. And the words that we're going to try and read will have those spelling choices for the sound. Blend with me. P, ch, perch. S, t, stir. S, f, surf. P, s, purse. W, twirl. Does it look right? Now, let's see if we can do the spelling. Let's see if we can write words using that sound, the sound. And, oh gosh, well now I know that there are three main ways of writing the sound, three main graphemes. So if I write a word and it doesn't look right, then I've got some other spelling choices that I can use for the sound to have another go and see if that one looks right. We're going to do our looking good board. So grab a pencil and a piece of paper, or you might want to use a whiteboard and a whiteboard marker. And let's draw up our columns. I'm going to show you how. Don't forget, this is your board. Have you drawn this up now? Make sure that your table has got three columns. Does it have the ER at the top and the IR and the UR? We need this in order to get started. I've got a picture of a burger. Tell me the sounds. Let's segment the word burger. If you need to use your phoneme fingers as we say the sounds and you count the sounds, you can do that. B, g, Oh, there are four sounds there. And at the end, I can hear the sound. Oh, and when the is at the end, I know it's an ER. I just know that. Let me have a go at writing the word burger. Have you had a go at writing it? Oh, does this look right to you? It doesn't look right. I know that the ER, it should be at the end, but that one in the middle just doesn't look right. Let me try it again with the IR. Do you think that looks right? Still doesn't look right to me. Oh, that one looks right. The UR that makes an sound. So now let's see if we can put that on our looking good board. I'm going to write it here, ER, because in the word burger, it has that and I'm also going to write it there because there are two graphemes with the sound. Can you add that onto your looking good board? This is a picture of a girl. Tell me the sounds in girl. G, oh, there are three sounds here. Can you have a go? Have a go at writing it on your board. And if it doesn't look right, have another go. I'm going to have a go. It's that one there. I can hear the sound and it's the IR. So I'm going to write the word girl in that column. This is a picture of shower. Let's say the sounds with me. Sh, ow, sh, ow, Well, I can hear the sound at the end. Actually, I remember when I hear the sound at the end, it does look right because I know that when I hear the sound at the end, it is the ER. Is that what you had? Go on, write it on your looking good board. I've written mine in the ER grapheme column. Nurse. Help me sound it out. S. Oh, there are three. Oh, gosh. There are three sounds there. Now, the S sound is the SE. So when you're writing the word nurse, make sure that you've got S written with the SE grapheme. Let me have a go. I want you to have a go too. Oh, does that look right? Doesn't look right to me. I'm going to have another go. I'm going to write the UR. That one looks right. What did you do? Did you have the UR that made an sound? Go on. Write the word nurse on your looking good board. I am in the UR grapheme column for Now it's your turn to have a go. I've got three pictures here. Number one, flower. Number two, hurt. And number three, shirt. Three words. I want you to write them out. And if it doesn't look right, have another go using another grapheme choice for the just like we've practiced. And then, after you've done that, place your words on your looking good board. What word goes in the ER grapheme choice for What word have you put in the IR? And what word have you put having the UR grapheme choice? Let's see what I've got. Flower. That I can hear the sound at the end, so I knew straight away that it has the ER grapheme choice. Oh, but I wasn't sure with the word hurt. So I wrote it out a couple of different ways using the different spelling choices for And this one looked right to me, the UR spelling choice for And then the word shirt, I wrote that a couple of times too. I wrote it with the ER, the IR, and the UR. And the IR spelling choice looked right to me. How did you go? Did you have these words in your columns as well? If you didn't, that's okay. Fix them up and put them in the right spelling choice column. ER for flower, IR for shirt, and UR for hurt. Well, how did you go with those words with the sound and the choices for the sound? I'm sure you were fantastic. Now, here is a job for you to do. I want you to think about some words with an sound, other words with an sound. Have a look around you and see if you can find things that will have an sound. And go on, write them out. And write them out. If you're not sure, have a go at using the different choices for and then see if you can put them onto your looking good board. Great work.